Hey there, future Bitcoin moguls. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on calculating Bitcoin mining profits. Whether you're a seasoned miner or just starting out, this guide will help you understand the key factors that influence your earnings. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily calculate your Bitcoin mining profits. It's not as complicated as it might seem, and with the right tools and information, you can make informed decisions about your mining operations. Let's start by breaking it down into manageable steps. Understanding each component will make the entire process much simpler. First, you need to know your mining hardware's hash rate, which is its computing power. This is crucial because it determines how quickly you can solve complex mathematical problems and earn Bitcoin. Then check your electricity cost per kilowatt hour. Electricity is one of the biggest expenses in Bitcoin mining, so knowing your rate is essential for calculating your overall costs. Next, find out the current price of Bitcoin. The value of Bitcoin fluctuates, and this will directly impact your potential profits. Keep an eye on market trends to stay updated. Now here's where it gets interesting. The profitability of your mining operation isn't just about your hardware and electricity costs. Use a mining profitability calculator. These tools are designed to help you input all the necessary details and give you a clear picture of your potential earnings. You'll need to input these details along with the network difficulty, which adjusts every 2016 blocks. Network difficulty affects how hard it is to mine Bitcoin, so it's a critical factor to consider. The basic formula to remember is profit equals BTC mined times Bitcoin price minus electricity used times cost per kWh. But that's not all. There are additional factors to consider. Profit equals BTC mined times Bitcoin price minus electricity used times cost per kWh. But that's not all. There are additional factors to consider. Don't forget to subtract any fees from the mining pools you're part of. Mining pools can help you earn more consistently, but they do charge fees for their services. Also, keep in mind the potential hardware depreciation over time. Your mining equipment won't last forever, and its value will decrease, affecting your long-term profitability. These factors can significantly affect your final profit. It's important to have a comprehensive understanding of all your costs to make accurate profit estimates. So, make sure to account for all these costs for an accurate estimate. Keeping detailed records and regularly updating your calculations will help you stay on top of your mining operations' profitability. And there you have it. With these tips, you're on your way to maximizing your Bitcoin mining profits. Thanks for watching. With these tips, you're on your way to maximizing your Bitcoin mining profits. Thanks for watching. Remember, the key to success in Bitcoin mining is staying informed and adapting to changes in the market. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more investment insights. Happy mining!